Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your curbside Walgreens video for the week of the 20th to the 26th of April of 2025. Curbside pickup means you're ordering the stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. As suspected, Easter did hit 50% off. You can look it up in the app or go to your store when you pick up your curbside pickup. 50% off of candy and merchandise that is Easter themed. And also yesterday's mystery of why the 7 back when you're spending 40 isn't working. If you went on a desktop computer, it actually had the dates that it was running, but the dates were not provided in the app. And as you can see, it's the 21st to the 27th. And I did put like $50 of perfume in a cart, and guess what? The $7 did pop up, so mystery solved. Now, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with register rewards and you want to see what they have and you're not about curbside shopping, I recommend you watch yesterday's video where I show a host of deals and steals. I will link it at the end. But if you could do me a huge kindness before we hop into the deals and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, really helps out the channel. If you could just like this video, I would be so grateful. Okay, deal number 1. For this one, we're going to need our best friend loaded, and I think everybody got this, which is a 4-back when you buy 2 selected P&G dental care products. You have to load this little booster. Pretty easy to do. You just tap that click button. We're going to be grabbing one of these fancy dancy flosses. No flosses in boxes, that weird stuff. We're grabbing the nice stuff for $4. And then we're also grabbing a paste for $4. If you still have these 2 coupons, you can participate in this deal. That are the $2 off of each for the floss and the paste. Alternatively, there's also a 3 off of 2, so whichever one you may have. We're also going to throw into the cart 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos. There's an offer that you're getting $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 as well for that, along with this digital coupon. How lovely is that? Now, to get the math to balance, I'm also going to throw in one of these toilet papers. Alternatively, throw in some Easter candy, whichever one you want to throw in to get the math to balance. Now, see where that X is at the very top where it says promotion codes and coupons? That's where you're going to type in WAG10 or any promotion code. And just to show you the chorus line, $2 for Crest, $3 for Garnier, $2 for the Oral-B, and our little code to save 8 cents. The overall total is $16.79, WAG10 taking 8 cents off. Little bit of tax there and $7 in digitals. Use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 71 cents, and you're getting back $7 in Walgreens cash. 3 for the Garnier shampoo and 4 for Crest. How lovely is this deal? Deal number 2. For this one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the VitaFusion supplements at $13.99 for $20.98 on a buy one, get one 50% off. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 10 off of 2, and all these manufacturers are a one-time use as well. And then we're going to throw in my favorite, a roll of toilet paper. If you want to grab some Easter stuff, by all means. I'm just going very, something basic. To show you $10 melting off with a $1.18 also with the code WAG10. And just to show you $21.77 WAG10 our coupon. So the total here is $10.63. If you wish to use $10 of Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 63 cents. And then over on IBOTTA, you're going to get back $6, 3 for each VitaFusion. So it makes this really cheap. It makes each thing of vitamins like $2 and like 30 cents ish. So fantastic. And you're going to have to ask the cashier to process your order through a regular register. If they use the handheld, you're not going to get a receipt, so you won't be able to submit to IBOTTA. So please be firm to say, hey, can you run this through a regular register and not the handheld so you get an actual receipt. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 3. For this one, you're looking for some clearance CoverGirl. Now, in my region, it was only this foundation. It's $4.79. We have a $3 off digital and a $3 rebate for IBOTTA, so that makes this a complete freebie. But unfortunately, the mascara that everybody's like, look what I'm getting, I could not track it down. So usually these brow pencil or eye pencils, they're the cheaper item. Boom, boom. We have this $3 and this $3 that are attaching to both items. To get the math to balance, I also threw in one of these more expensive L'Oreal mascaras for $12.99. Alternatively, you can grab something else if you wish. We have a $5 manufacturer for that mascara plus a 2 off a 2 store coupon, but it's $1 coming off. Just to show you our chorus line, and yes, you can throw in WAG 10 for an additional $10 off, not too shabby. And then to show you the overall total is $22.37. After all of the magic, you're going to pay $11.10. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, by all means, and then get a receipt. Again, ask the cashier really nicely, like, hey, can you process this through a regular register so you can get a receipt, to photograph it to IBOTTA to get $6 back. The time ticker of death is on both of these, so you're going to have to definitely move on this deal ASAP to claim the rebate, because it's going to go very, very quickly. I'm suspecting a lot of people are doing the deal. Our next deal is deal number 4, and for this one, we are grabbing 2 bags of the Doritos on a buy one, get one free, and it's a whole bunch of different flavors. It's not just this nacho one. And we're also going to throw in the 2 for $5, the Body Armor Flash IV drinks. There's a $1 digital as well that's attaching. To get the math to balance, I just threw in one of these 99-cent Snuggles, alternatively Easter candy, whichever one you wish. Just to show you the Body Armor $1 digital along with the code WAG10 taking 40 cents off. And so the total here is $12.28, 40 cents melting off, along with that $1 manufacturer. So the total here is $10.94. If you have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it, pay 94 cents, and ask the cashier for a receipt, because IBOTTA has $2 back for each of those drinks. So it makes your basket super uber cheap for 2 bags of chips and 2 of these Body Armor Flash IVs and a Renews-It cone that's on clearance. Alternatively, you can throw in some Easter candy or Easter merchandise. Final deal I have prepared for you is deal number 5. This one includes 2 of the Axe body washes on a buy one, get one 50% off. And we got a $5 digital coupon on Sunday morning. At the very least, load that digital coupon because it's absolutely fantastic. And here it is. It's a 5 off of 2. It's a very nice coupon, so I would definitely load it. And then a larger box of the Tampax. I am very brand loyal to this one product for $7.49, and it's the 18 counter. And some of us, not all of us, as you can see, it says only for you at the very top, have this digital coupon. I was buying some clearance Tampax last week, so I think that's why they gave me this one this week. Hopefully you have the same one as I, but it is attaching to that one. And then I threw in some clearance Easter candy just to get the math to balance, 50% off of these Reese's eggs. With the code WAG10, an extra 85 cents also melting off, and you can see the $8, 5 for Axe and 3 for Tampax. The overall total for this basket is $19.76. 85 cents with WAG 10 and $8 in manufacturers. The total is $11.42 with tax. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you may have it and pay $1.42 and call this a very smart basket. That's it for the video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. And in case you missed yesterday's video, it's linked right here. We will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.